Hello, Jemmy. Jemmy, I said hello. What are you thinking?
Nancy, I want to tell you something. Yesterday, my father bought a bird for me. My pet bird does not have any teeth.
Don't worry, birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to tear, bite, chisel, or crush the food.
Oh, really?
The shape of the beak is according to the food habit of the bird. Some birds use their beaks to fight the enemy or catch the prey. They also use it for preening their feathers.
Nancy, what is preening?
Preening means to clean the feathers and set them right. The birds spread the wax secreted at the base of the feathers. During this process,
I have seen many birds. They all seem to have different types of beaks.
yes, birds can have crushing beak, curved beak, piercing and steering beak, chiseling beak, probing beak, sifting beak, sticky beak. Do you know, birds like sparrow and pigeon have a short and hard beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains to make them soft before eating. Which bird do you have, Jenny?
It's a parrot and it has a red beak.
Birds like parrots have a curved beak. This helps them in cracking nuts and fruits. Birds like eagle and vulture have a strong, hard and curved beak. It helps them to tear the flesh. Chiseling beak. Birds like the woodpecker have a strong, long and straight beak. This helps them to peck at the wood and eat insects